Hello there. Welcome to our second video on reading comprehension questions for Lesson 2, Interconnected Organisms. So, question 1. What are the two main ideas here of Section 2, and how are these ideas supported by key details? One of the main ideas in Section 2 is that energy begins with the sun and flows through organisms in a food web. This idea is supported with diagrams of food chains and food webs showing how energy flows through a food web. Another main idea is that matter cycles between the living and the non-living parts of all ecosystems. This is supported with several diagrams showing how matter cycles between organisms and the environment, soil, air, and water. Question 2. How are the three kinds of consumers, primary, secondary, and tertiary, similar? How are they different? The three different kinds of consumers, primary, secondary, and tertiary, are similar because they all need to eat other organisms for food. However, they are different because they eat different kinds of organisms. Primary consumers eat producers, secondary consumers eat primary consumers, and tertiary consumers eat secondary consumers. Question 3. Why do consumers need to eat other organisms? Consumers need to eat other organisms for energy and nutrients. And question 4. How are consumers linked to producers? How are they linked to decomposers? Consumers are linked to producers because producers provide the link between the sun's energy and the rest of the food web. Without producers, a food web would lose its steady flow of energy from the sun because producers capture the sun's energy and change it into usable energy. Consumers are linked to decomposers because decomposers eat the remains of consumers and producers, returning nutrients or matter back into the ground. Now that you've read Section 2, you're actually going to go ahead and read Section 3 in your student reader and check out the video for Section 3 as well.